quite sick. And I spontaneously met my friend Amanda from Sweden. Awesome. Amanda took me to Casa Miglis, and it's a Swedish owned restaurant. Here the king and the queen and their children. And this is a special interior room. Michel and what's his co-worker's name? Michel and Emmanuel owns this place, and me and Amanda was going to the beach and took a cab for $25, but he threw us up because he tried to cheat us with the place we're going. So we started the highway and trying to lift, and we got a lift. Different kind of trip, but it's awesome. Ciao. Amanda travels. From a luxury beach resort to a hitch on the highway in Cuba. We're going to the opera now, in the biggest and nicest opera house. And Amanda's shoe broke, so she getting it fixed here by Rodolfo. And then we're going to the opera. On the way home from the best opera and show ever, we go to this amazing place that Amanda took me to. Street art. Havana is in my heart now. It's amazing. Thank you. It's better to put down your weapons than fight without moral. Good saying in here.